Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by clarifying exactly what you need: topic, thesis, length, and audience. Once done, collect 3-5 sources and note key quotes or stats to cite. Make sure to pick a tone and citation style upfront so the AI writes consistently. Now provide a brief outline and sample sentence to seed the model. Also state constraints like word count, deadline, and forbidden content. This primes the AI to produce focused output from the first prompt. Now you turn that outline into a draft by prompting the AI stepwise. Ask for an intro, 3 body paragraphs each tied to a source, and a conclusion. Once the model returns text, review one paragraph at a time for accuracy and logic. Request rewrites that add evidence, clarify claims, or strengthen transitions. Make sure to ask for inline citations or a bibliography if required. Repeat edits until structure, flow, and argument strength meet your standard. This iterative loop is where the essay gains substance. Finish by proofreading for grammar, clarity, and consistency. Use an editor for one final pass and a plagiarism checker if needed. Then confirm all citations and bibliography entries match your required style. If you find factual errors, tell the AI exactly which sentence and which source to correct, and request a rewrite of only that section. If tone or voice is off, ask for adjustments with examples. Finally, run a short read aloud to ensure natural flow before submission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.